guys, it's me, Johnny, again here, but this time with slime gooey thingy. It was in a little box thingy that said caution, but I opened it and then I lost my tomb. So now I just got this. So yeah, you can hear those cars. So I'm in the middle of a store and my little brothers are here. Him right there, Junior.
Whoa.
So yeah, he's right there, and he's right there. He's little. He's 5 years old. He's turning 6 on December. And sorry, my camera fell, like my phone thing. So yeah. So here's the slime. He's putting headphones on. Okay, so I'm gonna get some slime. I've got some slime in here. Pop it open. Pop. Just pop it open. Can't pop it open. There you go. Got it open. Okay, so got that open. Let's get that down from here. There you go. So it's gonna get bigger and bigger every time. Just gonna let it go right there. La 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 la, watching out the window. La 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 la, watching out the window. La 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 la, watching out the window. La 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 la, watching out the window. La 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 looking at a tree, looking at the other one, looking at the tree, looking at the other tree, looking at the fence, looking at everything. Look at my socks, look at them now, look at my socks, they're right there. Hey, socks are getting closer, socks, look at my sock, whoa. Okay, some time passed and then there's the big ginormous jelly. Whoa. Put your finger in there. Whoa. Ginormous jelly. See? Okay, that's the ginormous jelly. Now let's zoom out. Zoom out. See, that's how big it is. It's about, let's see, about this one of them. Cannot see, so right there. Look at 2 corners of your hand like that. And that's let's just pick it up like a tortilla or something like that. It's gonna make a big split though. Oh my gosh. Sorry, you can hear my mommy calling something. So yeah, I'm still in 4th grade. I'm 9 and yeah. And so yeah. Right now I'm at home and, well, I'm not at home, I'm at college, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, I got that, and yeah. So, woo, got that jello. Then just get this in here like this. Then I'm gonna trick somebody. Okay. Wait, let me just take it out. Sorry, that didn't work.
Where's that girl too? With a sword. With a sword for real. And that's you.
Why did you fart?
I didn't fart. It was you. With that.
See, you keep on farting.
That's it, just slime.
You're farting.
Come on, dog.
You farted again. You farted again.
No, it's you with your slime.
You're farting.
With your slime.
You're nasty.
That's you.
So yeah, it's again. So yeah, this is the slime thingy.
Stop.
Yeah, I might sure make some more shopkins. I got 2 more shopkins. Well, I got the same ones from the last time, except for one rare one. Woo! Everybody happy? Woo 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 with you. So yeah, I might post this video on YouTube, and I might call it I forgot what I was gonna call it. I might call it something, but not right now. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. So yeah. So I'm gonna pause it. Well, this video is gonna be done, and this is my jello. Thank you.